Hey there, data explorers. Welcome back to Classy Llama, where we turn tech mysteries into practical power moves. Today, we're diving into data lakes for beginners, how to merge your ERP, CRM, and website data. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why a data lake might be your secret weapon and how to get started. First, let's clarify. A data lake is simply a centralized repository where you store all of your structured and unstructured data. It's everything from ERP transactions to CRM contacts and website analytics, without forcing it into rigid tables up front. Think of it as a digital lake bed where raw data flows in, ready for any use you dream up later. So why build a data lake? Well, imagine you've got ERP data without purchase orders sitting in one silo, CRM data about customer interactions in another, and website clickstream logs in a third. When you need to answer a question like which marketing campaign drove the highest value repeat customers, you'd have to stitch those silos together manually over and over again. That's time consuming, it's error prone, and frankly, it's a little medieval. With the data lake, you feed all three sources into one place, ideally in their native formats. It could be CSV exports, JSON API dumps, log files, whatever you want. You don't need to clean it up or transform it all before it lands. You can always refine it later. Getting your data into the lake usually follows three steps: extract, load, and transform, often called ELT. First, you extract your ERP tables, your CRM records, and your website logs via connectors or scripts. Next, you load them into a cost-effective storage layer. Think Amazon S3 or Azure Data Lake Storage. Finally, when you're ready to analyze, you transform the raw data into the shape your analytics tools need. Once everything's into the lake, you can use familiar tools, SQL engines like AWS Athena or Microsoft Synapse to run queries. For example, you join your ERP sales table with your CRM's customer table on customer ID, then you blend in your website session data to see which product pages led to high-value repeat purchases. Voila, you've unlocked insights that used to take days of manual work. So, what's in it for you? Scalability. Store massive volumes of data, orders, leads, clickstreams, without redesigning schemas each time. Flexibility. Run any analysis you need, from ad hoc dashboards to machine learning models, all on the same pool of raw data. Cost efficiency. Pay only for storage and processing when you run queries instead of expensive data warehouse licenses. Data democratization. Ooh, that's a big word. Give your teams a single source of truth, reducing copy-paste errors and version confusion. So, you ready to dip your toes in the data lake? Here's a simple roadmap. Choose your platform. AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, they all offer affordable object storage plus built-in query services. Identify your data sources. Start with your top three: ERP, CRM, API feeds, and also your website logs. Automate your ingestion. Use managed connectors or lightweight scripts, Python plus cron jobs, to pull in new data on a schedule. Define your first use case. Maybe it's combining order values with email campaign history to optimize your next send. Then iterate and refine. As you learn which tables and fields matter most, add data transformations or enrichment steps. And that's your beginner's guide to building a data lake that merges ERP, CRM, and website data into one powerful analytics hub. If you're excited to take the plunge, hit like, subscribe for more Classy Llama insights, and drop your questions in the water, the comments. We're here to help turn your data into decisions and keep your workflows as smooth as a llama's wool. Until next time, stay curious and always stay classy.